generative AI usage. But it seems critical thinking, creativity, attention, memory, empathy, compassion, all these skills go down. So now the question is, must it be like that? Is it always like that if everyone uses AI? And probably you guessed the answer is it doesn't need to be like that always. So I attended a lecture from Professor Sahar Yusuf from UC Berkeley, and she did a study, it's unpublished, this spring with her students, like 800 students. And it seemed some of the students experienced brain atrophy, meaning using less and less of the skills of the brain, and if you test, they were really connections losing and your brain's ability declining. So she wanted to figure out which factors affect the students to lose their brain power, and why did some students not experience this? It turns out two factors are risk factors, very important. And the first risk factor was isolation and loneliness. If you lose your human connections, if you don't converse with your partners, clients face to face, and if you lose that human physical connection, you have a much higher chance of experiencing brain atrophy with extensive AI usage. That's the first risk factor. The second risk factor, this is also interesting, is lack of purpose. If you're not actively, with purpose, using AI, but saying, okay, do this for me, if you're very passive and lack purpose, that's the second risk factor of losing your brain power and brain connections. So that means you have to be the boss, you have to be actively driving AI agents and AI to use it. If you don't have the own internal motivation, your purpose-driven activity, it is very risky that the more you use it, you will lose your brain power. So it's